Where you going? Where you going? You went off the path. Cut the steps. Hey. Where you going? You want to go see Daddy's bike? Come here. Let's go. Kathleen. Kathleen, you want to see Daddy's bike? Come here. Where's Daddy's bike? Come on. Careful. There you go. Good girl. Where's Daddy's bike? Where's Daddy's bike? There it is. Yeah. Don't touch. Okay, be careful. You want up? Okay. Come here. Oh, you're such a big girl. Yeah? Okay. Don't touch. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Good girl. Careful, don't do that. You go vroom vroom.